let us go for an example for the definition part. Now, we have to derivative at x is equal to 5 for the function f(x) is equal to twice of x. Now, let f(x) is equal to twice of x. Now, f derivative we are given for 5, f derivative 5. First, according to the definition, we will be having limit h approaches to 0, f 5 plus h minus f5 upon h. Is it clear? So, now using this part, now this becomes limit h approaches to 0 twice of 5 plus h minus twice of 5 upon h. Limit h approaches to 0, 10 plus 2h minus 10 upon h. Limit h approaches to 0, 2h upon h, limit h approaches to 0 with 2. Okay. Hence, f derivative 5 is equal to 2. This is the answer.